All right, in this section I'm going to show you how to use the sorting feature, the filter, and the AutoSum. There are three great features within Excel that help you capture data in different ways. So I'm going to start with sorting. And I want to look first of all at our August test scores. And right now they're just kind of based on student number in ascending order 1 to 10, how the students look. So maybe I want to kind of see what my spread is on students coming into the school year. So I'm going to start with student number. I'm going to highlight everything over through my September scores. I'm going to highlight all of it because when you're sorting, you want to make sure that your student number still aligns with the test scores that they have each month. So to sort this data, I've highlighted everything. I'm going to come right up here where there's the A, Z, and a down arrow. If I were to just click on this box, it's going to automatically try to sort in column A, and that's already sorted 1 through 10. So I want to click on this little black arrow right here, and I want to say custom sort. And right now this little box that pulls up shows you that it's sorting by student number from the smallest to the largest. And so that's exactly what we're looking at right here. I want to look at the August test scores. So I'm going to click on this little black arrow, and I'm going to come choose the month of August and click OK. And now it is given the student numbers are no longer in order, however the test scores are from lowest to highest. If I want to see those test scores where highest numbers are on top and it's descending order, I would highlight everything one more time, click the down arrow, and on my custom sort from smallest to largest, I would click on this arrow and tell it largest to smallest, and OK. And now I have my highest test scores down to my lowest. So I can tell looking in August I didn't have any students now that were proficient in math. However, in September I can see a few that were. So what I want to do now is filter out any information or any students that are proficient so I can really zone in and target the students that need some intervention and see which ones are at least approaching proficiency in September. So you want to highlight student number across to September. Again, remember we want to capture all the information so our student number aligns with the test scores that they have. To apply the filter, you're going to go over here and this little filter looking icon, just click on that, and you see that it automatically gives you arrows in all of the boxes within the or the top boxes within the parameters that you captured. So I want to see in September, I only want to see now the students that are still not proficient. So I'm going to click this down arrow. It's going to now give me a box that I can sort by. So down here on filter, I want to choose one. I want to say anything that is less than 80%, and I have to put the percent because that's how we have this column formatted for the number. And then I can click out of it, and now you can see I have no proficient scores in here. You can see that it has hidden all of them. Remember, it highlights this in blue over here if there's going to be hidden columns. So I've got hidden columns, and I can only now see the non-proficient. I can see I have students that are approaching it, and I have ones that I still need to do a lot of interventions on. So that is the filtering option within Excel. So now I want to jump over here to a new tab that I've created called Class Fees. Most of us have to collect fees throughout the year. So I've already put those fees in there and just kind of pre-filled it based on what it might look like depending. And now I'm actually going to go in and clear out some contents on a few of them. And clear content. Because we all know that all of our students don't pay right on time. So this is going to be how we use the AutoSum feature. If I need to know how much I've received so far in the year, I can click right here where it says total amount paid. I have it right here. If you click this little blue, like backwards E looking, or not backwards, but fancy E looking symbol, if I click on that, it'll capture everything before a space. I'm just going to come up here and click and drag all the way down and then hit return. And so now it automatically captures and will start adding up the money that I've collected for class fees. Since I captured everything in this column right here, as I start adding in information as students pay, it will start calculating down here in the bottom. So you don't have to keep adding, or you don't have to keep fixing that. It's automatically going to capture any money that you put. So that's the AutoSum feature that will be quite useful as well. So now we have sorted information, we have filtered out information, and we've used the AutoSum.